A very good afternoon from my end. I'm just doing my usual rounds in my garden and doing a random harvest this afternoon. So this is what I harvested so far. We've got tomatoes, capsicums. These are the long ones. They're slightly hot. Then you have the beans and my pumpkin tips. So this is my harvest for this afternoon. My tomatoes are looking good. Big ones. I harvested some capsicum and some are still here. We've got new ones popping up, and this is the one that has a lot of capsicum. And my basil is doing well. And these ones I planted 2 weeks ago because they were huge and I did a transplant. Now they're fruiting already and flowers are popping up. So yeah, this is my afternoon walk in the garden and harvesting.